Ever pondered why fruits hold such a pivotal role in Ramadan? Well, it's a question worth exploring, as Ramadan, a month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community, is not just about abstaining from food and drink during daylight hours, but also about nourishing the body in the most effective way possible. And what better way to do that than by incorporating some of nature's finest offerings, fruits. Starting off the countdown at number 5, we have the humble banana. Packed with essential nutrients, bananas serve as a fantastic source of energy. They are rich in potassium and magnesium, crucial for heart health and normal blood pressure. Bananas also contain vitamin C, which boosts immune function, and their high fiber content aids digestion. Moving on to number 4, we find the juicy watermelon. This refreshing fruit, consisting of about 92% water, keeps the body hydrated, which is particularly crucial during fasting periods. It's also a good source of vitamins A and C, along with some potassium. The lycopene found in watermelon benefits heart health and helps protect against certain types of cancer. On the third spot, we have dates. Traditionally, fasts during Ramadan are broken by eating dates. They are high in natural sugars, fiber, potassium, magnesium, and a hint of protein. Dates also have a low glycemic index, which means they won't significantly spike your blood sugar levels, an ideal way to break a long day of fasting. At number 2, we find grapes. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants such as lycopene and beta-carotene. Grapes also contain a significant amount of vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as folate, essential for red blood cell formation. They are hydrating, and their natural sugars provide a quick energy boost. Finally, at the top of our list, reigning supreme at number 1, is the incredible apple. Apples are rich in important antioxidants, flavonoids, and dietary fiber. The phytonutrients and antioxidants in apples may help reduce the risk of developing cancer, hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease. They are also very hydrating and provide a steady energy release, which is vital during Ramadan. In a nutshell, these 5 fruits, bananas, watermelons, dates, grapes, and apples, not only offer a delicious way to break the fast, but they also provide essential nutrients and health benefits, making them perfect for inclusion in the Ramadan diet. Remember, Ramadan is not just about fasting, but also about nurturing the body and soul. So ensure to incorporate these nutritious fruits in your meals during this holy month.